If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you set up your company in Sage 50 Accounting, you entered your company's information and also chose the type of posting method to use for posting transactions to the general ledger. To change the company information or posting method in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain Company Information from the menu bar to open the Maintain Company Information window. To change your company information, just edit the corresponding field or fields of information in the upper section of this window. Then click the OK button in the toolbar of this window to save your changes. Also note that the directory field in this window shows the folder location of the current company file. If you want to change your posting method, first note that there are two methods of posting transactions to the general ledger: real-time posting or batch posting. With real-time posting, your company's transactions are posted to the appropriate journals and the general ledger as they are entered. This method is very common as it saves you time and is best for most businesses and networks. With batch posting, transactions are saved in Sage 50 and then posted to the general ledger as a group. When you use batch posting, you can print registers to review a batch of transactions prior to posting them to the general ledger. When you choose to post information from all the journals, Sage 50 will find any unposted transactions and post them to the general ledger. Transactions can still be edited and deleted even after they are posted. To change the posting method, click the Posting Method gray arrow button in the Maintain Company Information window to open the Posting Method dialog box. Then select either the Real-Time Posting or Batch Posting option button. Then click the OK button in the Posting Method dialog box. Then click the OK button within the toolbar at the top of the Maintain Company Information window to save your posting method change. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.